And we're back here sa Papis Trail, and let's do a trail check. Weeks after, or days? Weeks after ng bagyo. Let's go. So nag-message naman ako kay Ate Michelle and even yung tropa asking if naglinis ng trail. And yun nga, oh, tingnan mo, linis, oh. Oh, ito lang, may bulaga ka lang dyan na kawayan. Pero I think tatanggalin naman yun. Nililinis lang. Madahon. Pero wala na yung rats. Pero walang rats. Even itong wall, lumapad pa dito. Nice. Another wall. Another wall. And then yung jump. Oh, isa iba rin. Going to step up. Oh, hindi nasira yung mga sender. And on third na yata tayo. So far it's good. And then here, oh, entering yung gubat. Gubat. So it's same, malinis pa rin. So, and also nag-grass cut, oh, or nagtabas ng damo. Pump. Yeah, linis. Goods for weekend rider like me. Oh, diba? Wala nang hahawi sa'yo na damo. O kahit dito pwede nang mag short sleeve. Oh, and approaching a steep section. Malinis din. Walang rats. And even yung matagtag dito wala na. Pwede na bumitaw. Going to, let's step up. Sa jump ulit. Ano ba to? Sa jump. Then sa berm. Dito malinis na rin. Wala yung mga damo. Or hindi pala wala. Tinabas. Walang hahampas sa mukha mo or susugat sa balat. And approaching the bridge, linis na din. Wala na yung mga balahib. Good. I think pinalapakan pa, Ay. So this is a solo ride. Trail check lang. Kasi kailangan umuwi before 9. So pick a ride while yung advice. Go through pa. Approaching. Step up. Ay. Walang rats. Oh, nice. Malinis. Super. Wala na yung rats dito ng bagyo. Okay. See? Let's go. Let's ride. And then magkape na. Morning. Okay. Morning, night.